Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to start working on the head modeling. Let's go to the front, and here I'm going to create box. Going to move it here, and then with three. Of course, we have a problem with the reference image. The details are not clear. So some details, I'm going to create them by my own. But if you have a clear reference image for the character front and side, of course, you can work based on them exactly. I'm going to use the scale it like this and like this. I need to enable the symmetry in x-axis. And select this one. I need to go to the side. Just still working with the basic details. After that, we need to add more details to the head, of course. Okay, we need to it's better to hide the body for now by using Control H to hide it. And then I need to subdivide the details by using the one of the smooth tool, add faces to the selected polygons. So we need to click on it, and then we can proceed working on the details. Here we need to put them back. We don't need to worry about the nose and mouth now. After that, I need to work more on the chin area. before, let me scale it like this. And then I'm going to add another smooth like this. And then I need to work on the chin area here at the side. I need to select this area, and then I'm going to extrude it down like this. We hit on 3 now. It will appear like this. Okay, we need to continue work on the chin area. It's better to start from the side for now. I'm going to select the whole head, scale it down a little like this, and then drag it up, and then this. And then we need to continue working on the details. So now we are not going to worry about the mark of node. It will go to the front. Drag these back a little like this. It's better to fix the topology for this area, for the chin area. How can we do that? I need to select this edge in the middle, and then I'm going to enable the symmetry, but now for topology, because now I'm going to use the multi-cut. And here again, I need to press enter, of course. Need to start again, like this, and then connect them here. To fix the topology here, no need for this one and this one. By using Ctrl Delete, I'm going to delete them. And of course, we can start working on the fixing the details. Click OK. And now it is much better. We can go back to the side, work more on the chin area. For now, I can select both of these, drag it here, and these, drag them back. Now let us start working on the mouth and eyes. So we need to go back to the front. We're going to put it back to non-smooth to the regular one. And now I need to start working on the adding a line for the mouth and the eyes. Here I need to put a line for the eyes and for the mouth. I'm going to work both front and side, and both front and or back and back perspective for now. For now, I'm going to point. This will be on the middle of the eye. And this edge would be on the mouth, here in the middle. This point, I'm going to drag it up a little. Of course, we need to rearrange the other details like this. And this one, we need to put them back a little. Here, need to drag them back a little. And here also. And now it is better. Now specify the area for the mouth will be here, and for the eyes it will be at here and here. In our character, the details here, like this. But also to specify the nose for now, let's specify this. I'm going to disable the topology for now. I'm going to use the topology in X. I'm going to select this one, maybe for the nose. Okay. The reason we put vertices on the center of the eye, I know the reference here is not clear, but we put the center in the front. We put the vertex in the center of the eye because we are going to continue working, or add the eye, start adding the eye details based on this vertex on the center. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select an edge in the middle, in the center, and then I'm going to enable the topology, symmetry for topology again. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the multi-cut. I'm going to start working on the eyes as I said, here and here, enter, and from here to here, enter, from here to here, enter, from here to here, and enter. And then I can start drawing the eyes, because we don't have them clear. I'm going to optimize by using the multi-cut also. Remember now I'm using the topology symmetry. I'm going to close and then hit on enter. After that, I'm going to start working, arranging the vertices. Create a shape similar to the eye. it like this. And then, of course, we need to put them back based on the side. We need to drag them to select them, select the vertices with the middle, and then move them back. You can see that the eyes, usually we need to move them back. I know I said before the details are not clear on the reference image. As I said, we need to move them back. Now we can start. Now we can work more on fixing them. For example, usually this area should be like this. Select these. Nothing on these. Can move them up a little, not too much. But of course, when I move the eyes back, I need to work more on the details here. I need to drag them back. And then I need to delete these faces. I don't need them. Have the shape like this. Sometimes the eyes in the reference could be inside more, but for now that's okay. I'm just going to drag them a little more back like this will make more sense. Now I need to start working on the mouth. For the eyes, we start connecting edges from the vertices around the vertices we put on the center to the vertices we put in the center. For the mouth, we are going to connect some edges to the vertices at the corners of the mouth. So I'm going to click here and here. Remember the topology symmetry is enabled. And here, also click on enter. Click, yeah. And then I'm going to use the insert edge loop. Everything is unchecked, only the equal distance from edge. And then by holding the shift and double click, double click, double click, double click, and double click. And then we can drag down and up. I'm going to make it here like this. Faces, hit on W. Yeah, I forgot to hit enter. So I need to click on insert edge loop again. Equal only. With shift, double click, and double, 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 and double. And then we can click and drag. After we finish, we need to hit on enter. and then W to disable the insert edge loop. And then I need to select the faces inside it. Only the mouth. I need to delete them. And then we need to start on arranging the vertices by using the side or back, the front or back. Of course, I need to arrange this also little. And here I need to drag it like this. Here like this. I'm going to select these, drag them down like this. Need to go back to the perspective. You just click on 3. Three again to check. And then I need to go back to the side now. I'm going to start arranging them accurately. This. I need to select these by using the scale. I'm going to scale them little like this. And of course, I need to drag this back a little, and these also. Let's check the, yeah, we need to go back to the side, select them, because it's better to drag them back like this. And then we can press on 3. We have to drag them back a little more. I know there are a difference between from the reference between the model and the reference image, but this makes sense more like this. Not too much. Try to drag them up a little more here because I'm comparing with the nose. I'm going to rotate them a little, drag them here, but of course inside. For this one, I'm going to move it here. This one back a little. These two like this. All of these, I'm going to drag them here and these drag them back like this. Here, and put them here. Yes. For the moment, I'm going to drag it back like this. This also up, button, also right like this. And these, of course, we need to fix them. These also, so put them back like this, and this one like this. These, I want to drag them a little more inside, very back. And these, also like this. Let us play again. Let me check here. I want to drag it back a little because I'm going to add an extra details around it, but not too much like this. That will be enough. In the future, when we start working on the mount detail, we can drag it down or up freely. But for now, this is the basic head. Last thing I'm going to do is better to select the eyes, drag them down like this. Also, it's better to select the mouth, pin it like this, and then drag it back. This will be better. Of course, we have some problems with the topology. We are going to work on them. We are going to work on the other details on the head in next tutorial, inshallah.